Well, Liezle, last time we were together was up in Toronto, and you made this spectacular dish, the San Marzano tomato tartare. I'm really excited to have the opportunity to learn from you.
Would you like to make it with me?
It'd be an honor.
Will you please start chopping the tomatoes?
Yeah, absolutely.
We can start chopping it into rough chop. Next step here, we're gonna start mixing the anchovies, chopped cornichon or gherkins, capers, chopped shallots, parsley.
And we're gonna mix.
We're gonna mix. For the dressings, we have Dijon mustard, stone grain mustard, Worcestershire, hot sauce. So here we're gonna mix the mustard. We're gonna emulsify it with olive oil.
Okay.
And we can combine it all together and you do the finished.
Great.
Next, we're gonna mix the preserved piquillo peppers. So will be the dressing right on top of the burrata. Here, the chopped up piquillo peppers, olive oil, clamato olives, chives, chopped shallots, and capers. Now here, it all comes to mind.
Okay, so it looks like we're ready to plate. Is that right?
Yeah, we're ready to
Excellent.
present it. So you have to press it against the ring mold.
Voila.
Now we can start with the burrata. We can cut it in half. Start pouring the piquillo peppers right on top.
Beautiful presentation. And then pine nuts.
Pine nuts. Garnish it with arugula, some radish, and lastly, this is the sorrel. It gives a little bit of tanginess on the cheese as well. We're gonna finish it with olive oil. Optional as well if you'd like to finish it with balsamic.
That is terrific. Excellent flavors, and the creaminess of the
It's creamy,
burrata
it's
on
amazing.
top really brings it home. So thank you for showing me how to make this really special dish.
Thank you for
And it's
having
been
me.
a true pleasure
Thank you.
cooking with you, Liezle.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.